alaikum. Hello viewers, I welcome you all in 5 Minutes Information channel. This is episode number 81 and in this episode I will talk about the Digital Object Identifier DOI. Viewer guidance, you can get the notes of this video lecture mentioned on this video description. In this episode I will talk about the 4 main points of Digital Object Identifier DOI. Point number 1. What is Digital Object Identifier DOI? Point number 2. When did Digital Object Identifier DOI service begin? Number 3. Which character or digits are used in DOI? Point number 4. Why do publisher and organization use DOI? Now come to the point number 1. What is Digital Object Identifier DOI? Digital Object Identifier DOI is a permanent identifier or handler to identify the digital objects uniquely. DOI is standardized by the International Organization for the Standardization ISO. DOIs are mainly used for academic, professional, and government information such as journal article, research report, book chapters, dataset, and official publication. Sometimes commercial videos are also used for DOIs. Point number 2. When did DOI service begin? DOI is officially launched in Frankfurt Book Fair in 1997. First DOI based article was published in year 2000. Point number 3. Which characters or digits are used in DOI? DOI consists alphanumeric character. A DOI consists of a publisher ID which is known as a prefix and an item ID which is known as a suffix, separated and forwarded by the slash. For example of DOI for one of the Emerald Journal articles look like as under. Prefix is 10.1108 and suffix is LHTN-102021-0065 and originally it is right DOI /10.1108/LHTN-102021-0065. Point number 4. Why do the publishers and organizations use DOI? The publisher and organizations are use DOI the 6 main purposes. Number 1. DOI promote the research work of the author. Number 2. DOI increase the impact of the research work of the scholars and publishers. Number 3. DOI ensure the international standardization of the articles and book chapters. Number 4. DOI provide quick access identification of published article where even URL website has changed. Number 4. To gain the research items, articles and book chapters visibility and more citations count. Number 6. DOI provide the universally digital identification of research work. Here I conclude the episode number 81. I hope viewer you get the valuable information about the what is DOI, when did DOI service begin, what are the characters and digits used in DOI, and why do the publishers and organization use DOI? Please comment section, comment about this video and don't forget like and subscribe my channel 5 Minutes Information. I will back soon with another informative episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching till the end.